Yeah, so hello today. I'm showing you to how to deploy an autonomous AI agent on your Windows computer using OpenClaw. So, I will tell you how to connect it to Telegram and respond to a message. So, first of all, we need to open the PowerShell and you need to paste a line. And if I show you, for Windows, you need to paste this line, and it supports Mac OS, and this is the beta version. So Mac OS, Linux, or Windows, they support this only. So it detects as my computer is laptop is Windows only. So I have already performed the installation part. So like once we do it, and then it will ask for basically the models you want to use. For currently, I'm using Open Routers model. Like I tried Gemini 2.5 as my default model, but I have also kept through Open Router model called OpenAI GPT 120B OSS. So what the installation basically you need to select the model. Like here this is for the Google. I inserted my Gemini API key, and then I connected it. The same process is for the Open Router. You need to select the model and paste your Open Router API key, and it will be configured. For the Telegram, let me show you. So this is the bot father. Basically here you need to connect to the Telegram, open the bot father on Telegram, create a new bot. As you can see here, uh, this is the bot father. Yeah, so you need to give a name, and it does not accept in the I1. You need to give underscore. So I have done that. Then once you are done with this, you will get this token. You need to paste in the OpenClaw, and then basically what you need to do, for example, this was my bot. No, 1 second. Yeah, so like this was my bot. Here you can see it gave me this user ID and pairing code. So you need to configure it in the OpenClaw. So as you can see here, you need to as you can see in the terminal, my this OpenClaw is running, and it is failing sometime. The bot is not able to answer because since we are relying only on the free APIs, so we are reaching the rate limit. But if you have a paid subscription, then there is no issue. You can go with it. So also, for example, when you will do the setup for the first time, you will able to say this. This is the dashboard of the OpenClaw, and there is a chat tab. Here is our agent. These are the markdown, and through here also you can chat, or basically if I say hi, it's taking some time. Let me change from here. Okay, so it's processing. Let it be. So from here also you can chat, or through Telegram also you can chat. Okay. And if I show you a live demo here, if I say simply hi, let's see what's in the terminal. Telegram failed as your network was sent message failed. Okay, wait a second. I believe I need to pause it, and if I try again, Okay, so what it actually there was an okay. I need to open start the open. I need to start it again. Okay, now it's working. Okay, so OpenClaw gateway stop. Failed to start gateway already running on. Okay, 1 second. I need to stop it and okay, now it's working. If I say hi, as you can see now it's typing. We need to basically keep the gateway running, so that's why it took some time. And as you saw, I wrote hi. Okay, so okay, so it gave the answer for the previous one. Can you respond for our setup? So it worked. Like earlier, it failed because we reached the rate limit. So you can see it can help with the security scan, confirm the scope, open cloud deployment, scan depth, constraints, and this is for the hi message. This okay. This is, hi Shivam. Okay, so it got my name. I'm ready to run security. Please pick scope, etc. And if I write a what's the capital of India? Let's see what does it reply. Let's see. It's taking some time, obviously, because the message went from Telegram, then to the through OpenClaw, then it goes to the Gemini model, and the same step like comes back to the Telegram. So all is happening locally on my machine. So that's why it might take some time. Okay, like it's taking much of more time because we have a free subscription only, and so basically it will respond. As you can see here, it responded, and we can use it in a very different way. Like for example, we can combine it with tably search. We can connect with the API. If I wrote like, okay, agent failed, all repair model operator. Okay, so the rate limit is reached. That's what I was saying. So okay, but the project is working. So the future improvement can be like we can integrate with the tablet search API. And for example, if I write like on every day 8 a.m., give me the latest news on tech. So it will remind it in its memory because we have added a memory to it. And every day at 8 a.m., it will go through the tablet web API and fetches the latest AI news. Will do tech news. So that's what I was saying. It's the yeah, rate limit and web search integration can be added. The bot can browse the internet, schedule tasks to run daily reports, file system across for document processing, multi-agent team working together. Like if I show you here, we can these are the agent. Okay, we can add multiple agents to it. As you can, memory is also here. You need to create it and so basically, that's what that was a complete walkthrough of the OpenClaw installation, Telegram integration live demo, and you can try it yourself visiting the OpenClaw AI. Start with the free tier of Open Router to experiment or the Gemini. So this was the update, basically the project POC project.